Oh man, look, welcome back, man. We are going back in time for this one, man. We are jumping into DeLorean. We're on some Back to the Future type shit because we got Naughty by Nature up next. Yoke the Joker. Yeah, we're going old school, man. This is old school as you can get. A link to this is gonna be down in the description box. You want to check out the original, but without further ado, man, let's just dig into this thing. Old school, baby. I'm all for it. Let's go.
I'm telling you, I want this done quick, in and out. I want all that black market shit, everything.
All the t-shirts, all the cassettes.
Who is it?
Where the shit?
Yo,
Everybody
face
on
down,
the
don't
floor.
nobody look at me.
Where the shit?
Yoke the Joker.
Listen. Hold on. I gotta say this. Before we get into these bars, baby, you do not hear beats like this anymore. When you hear a beat like this, you know where it's coming from. It's either coming from the old school, some old school type shit like this, or if you get it these days, it's from somebody still putting shit out who's from that era. You do not hear beats like this anymore from an artist who's fresh. You don't hear it, baby. You don't. Let's go. Let's get into these bars. Let's go, baby. I don't even think he's done either with the S's. Peep that whole F scheme. That thing went on for. We're gonna go all the way back. We're going not all the way back. We're gonna go back to the beginning of this S scheme, and we're gonna ride this thing out, baby. Let's go. Hold on. Where's he at? There you go. Let's take this. Let's go.
Silly slapping suckers, sorry saps and slouches, strap slamming style, smacking and smashing savage. Least these songs and some shots so snap seven sample stars slowly go so low. Set the cassette stereo sound stiff in. Strip the sanitarian Samaritans and system.
Keep it going, baby.
3 times over and over. Go with the flow, I'm about the Yoke the Joker.
That was ridiculous. Round 2, let's go.
All that straight face shit like your heart has been through. Smile and give your face something to fuck to do. Your ugly, smugly, squilly, dilly, wrinkle face bastard. Someone needs to hit and run it and run your ass over backwards. Let's giddy up, yep, another fuck up. Grab your microphone, battle time showing up. Any freestyle I see while I prowl, I dial a new style. Tell me about ooh child. Another victory is mystery. I smoke your skull, your brain and come blistery. All fuzzy, dirty, dizzy, duzzy. Get the fix he needs. Remember how blistery? You ain't ready for the Freddy of rap. You can't kill me. I step into your dreams, you feel me. Fuzzy your life away, just like my mic today. I eat you the psycho way. I'm ripping shit right away. I treat you like a bitch in a ditch off an angel dust. Take you to a roof, sure you can fly. Just jump slut. You think you might say a rhyme that someone might order like. You couldn't wash it up in a motherfucking water fight. All lockjaw, look at the brochure. So proud of sure, suck my encore. Swinging the bolo, the flow goes solo. I'ma smoke ya. It's time to Yoke the Joker.
Oh man.
The only way you wouldn't be getting dish chump like a girl is if your father would have bothered to pull it out early. You ain't gonna single strip of hip hop. Brothers wanna go home and write shit. Bite what I might get. Then up and say I quit. Me getting got. Oh, what a beautiful.
Oh, I'm getting caught up. Oh, I'm getting caught up, man. Sometimes I forget I'm supposed to be pausing. Sometimes I just get in the zone and forget I'm supposed to be pausing this thing, and I'm just kind of rocking it with you in the moment, forgetting I'm supposed to be doing a video right now. Sometimes I get that way, and I tend to do it when it's old school shit. I get stuck just listening. I do. I ain't gonna lie. I just get stuck listening. There is a reason why one of the, if not the best lyricists in Eminem puts Tretch on that favorite rapper list. Listen to this shit. Listen to this shit, man. Let's go.
That's what I prove, that's what I move, that's what I give. Making other brothers wanna go home and write shit. Bite what I might get, then up and say I quit. Me getting got, oh what a beautiful thought from you. Ain't it amazing what some paper plus a pen and tongue can do? Yoke the Joker.
Yoke the Joker. For the record, I am always down for an old school reaction video. Always down. So if there is any old school, I've done plenty, I've done some, but if there's any old school you want, all you gotta do is just put that shit down there, because I'm all for it. I'm a fan of old school, especially this time period. You don't get shit like this no more. So I'm always down. So just put it down in the comments, any old school you want. I got it. I'm here for that. I'm gonna leave this thing right here. Link to this down in the description box. I'm out.